Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So I hope you can spot the diversions here on the 8 hour. So you can see low, higher, low here, pin or inside bar there, and then inside bar / pin bar here. So all to play for at the moment. So we do have a gap to the upside, so it's a bit not something that I really want to pay attention to just yet. So let's just pay attention to the swing high on Friday, which was at 39.55. So 39.55 is the area to pay attention to. Oscillators crossing over at the moment. I suspect a move higher. Whether it is the start of a bigger move is impossible to tell right now. But it's very possible that we can actually get sort of moving, not moving, but let's just say a deeper pullback for another opportunity to sell off. So I just want to get all these levels in, and then I'll tell you what we're doing. Okay, so first things first, we've got this trend line here. So that would be the first area of resistance. If I look to the left, there's nothing much lining up, and I probably assume that we need to just get down to lower time frames to find that. This is a clear level, that is 39.55. Break and retest of that validates a bit of a double bottom here, and that would bring us fairly close up here, but that would break the trend line. So read that with a pinch of salt, and you can see there's a massive engulfing bar on the 3 hour going into the close on Friday. We also have serious diversions here on the 3 hours. So my view at the moment is this 39.55 is a very good opportunity for support to be found for another attack at this trend line. But what I suspect will happen is we'll break this, but we'll reject off here. So 39.88 we'll reject and then come back. There is no, sorry, they're not gaps. There were gaps there, but that is a little bit of, it's a cluster of support there. A break of this area and retest of 39.55 does validate the double bottom and the diversions. So that's well worth paying attention to, but we're in a downward trend and we've got a downward trend line here. So you would expect that would hold up price fairly aggressively. Now, if we look at the hour, complete different picture. Oscillators are grouping to the upside, indicating that this is a top, or potential top. We are in a downward trend. And that's kind of the first narrative that I would have. So with all of that in mind, what we're actually looking for is to find supports of 3900. So it's 38.99.8, but just round that off to 3900. We want to find support there. If we find support, then there's another opportunity for a move to the upside. If we reject this area again, which is possible, 39.55, I'd be wanting to see this kind of price action, so pin bars or engulfing bars, inside bars around this area, and then you're looking for a break of that pattern to the downside with a stop up here. Your first area, your first target is going to be here. So now let's just say we have something like that. You're going to have a 200-point stop loss for a 400-point gain. So it's a 2-to-1 trade. So you should be going short with the structure, but they scalps people. It's not. I don't think this is just going to continue falling. It's been falling for 3, almost 4 months now. An end will be coming, and you just got to pay attention to everything at the moment. So there's so much structure here indicating that this is a potential bottom. It's brewing. But obviously we need to get all the signals agreeing with us. So we need moving averages pointing up. We need a new high. And for me, it's 4,100 that needs to be taken out at the moment for that to happen. But if we do break above here, then you've got first target to the upside, 39.88. Come back, find support. And then you're looking for, I don't know if it'll happen today, but around 4,000. 4,000 is a round number, has not been tested properly. There's 4,000 there. So you can see that zone there has not been tested. We tried to find support here a couple of days ago, broke through, and then smashed through it to the downside. We haven't come back and tested that area, and it's a big round number. So that's what I expect is going to happen. So first up to there, then a big pullback. And if you look at things at the moment, it looks like a break, retest, then rejection off there to come and close this gap. So that's kind of the area I'd be paying attention to for shorts, is right up here at 4,000. Start getting some decent price action there. Short it is, and you're looking first for a retest here, take some off there, and then you're looking for a gap close for your final profit take. That's kind of my view at the moment. Not sure I want to be chasing longs at the moment, but there is a lot going on indicating that we are heading towards a potential bottom, and the daily is a big indicator of that. We've got daily diversions here, and we've got a pin bar. So not a very healthy pin bar, because it's a bit of a tail to the upside, so it's almost like a pin range bar. You want pin bars like that. So anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment, and we're far from the moving averages in the daily as well, so you would expect some kind of a move back at least to come and test this 4100 area. Getting above that and finding support there changes my bearish tone quite dramatically. Anyway, that's me for today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.